How to create Grindr account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video, I'll show you how you can create a Grindr account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. To create a Grindr account, all you have to do is first of all go ahead and launch the Grindr application. Once you launch Grindr app, if you already have an account, you can choose to enter with your email or either with your phone number. But assuming that you have not created an account before, tap on the sign up option from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the sign up button, agree to the terms and conditions, tap on accept, tap on next, and then tap on accept again. Now the first thing you have to do is to simply enter your birthday, after that your birth month, and then your birth year. And after you fill your birthday details, tap on the next option. The next step is to simply choose an email address for yourself. So just go ahead and make sure to choose an email address, then make sure to enter a strong password. So let me also go ahead and choose a password. And once you verify the captcha, you can just tap on the create account button in order to go ahead and successfully finish creating your Grindr account. That's all it takes to create your Grindr account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.